Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Pontiac GTO with a 389, and this one has the optional tri-power along with power brakes, power steering, and is in the saddle bronze color with the matching interior, and has the red striped tires that they came with originally, and the hubcaps that just cover the hub, which were standard on them. Not sure of what size differential rear end it has, or if it has the handling package, because there was no seller description. And that might be part of the reason why it bid to $42,000 and did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. But it does have a 4-speed, and it does have the tri-power, does have power steering and power brakes. So it was definitely built to run, that's for sure. And it was a good looker in the saddle bronze paint. I don't know what the mileage is because, like I said, the seller did not have a statement mentioning any of the particulars. So they had a 115-inch wheelbase, and the curb weight was 3,325 pounds. As far as the production numbers went, they originally were only going to sell 5,000 of them. That's what the sales manager gave them the permission to build 5,000 of them, and the dealers promptly bought them. But they ended up selling 32,450, and probably would have sold more if they were geared up for it. But out of that number, they made 7,384 post coupes like this one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.